Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just out on break from work and figured I better come out here to this accident site from where my great-grandfather was killed back in 1921 at this railroad crossing. He was out doing a delivery for dry cleaners and didn't hear the train coming and lost his life at this railroad crossing on October 27th, 1921. As you can tell, it's not too good for visibility on each side. And then up here, a little further, one of my friends, his fiance's cousin, was killed just a little ways up, trying to miss a deer, flipped a Jeep, got ejected. But this is one of those dangerous roads. It's named after my great-grandfather, and it goes by Hamilton Road is what many people know it by, but they've changed it with the new county road numbers and crap like that for 911 purposes. But up in here is about where that wreck happened back in October, the week after homecoming. Right here. It was number 40 for the Falls Valley High School football team. He was only a sophomore, and he decided out running around after football practice. Lost his life. But there's really nothing happening. Trying to get some stuff straightened out. I put my money since I'm only making so much a month. I got a loan that I about paid off. I got one more payment. And there's not a whole lot going on with the layout right now. I'm thinking about starting the in-scale layout, but I want to get a bigger place before I do. I might try to build a small one, and that's my second bedroom. But just gotta wait and see how money is. I'm trying to get something together for November, since I'm going back to Texas for the race down there that entire weekend. But just going to have to see what money I can rake up and get a bunch of other stuff done. But for now, that'll do it on this for a little update of what's happening for the month. And first, this area washed out like last year where we had a lot of rain, and it's just a bunch of tin horns that were washed away on that deal. But this is a rough road. I'm just out here close to the city lake right now. I'm also going to try and get a vehicle. I don't know how soon I can do that. I got to see if I can't get a little extra time at work, since I'm only working 1 day a week right now. But I'll holler back at you sometime soon, or I'll still be out filming some of the trains or whatever that comes through here. There might be some foreign stuff that comes in sometime this week. Until then, I'll holler at you the next time.